Internationally recognized brands of production equipment, components, original factory, original brand, head enterprise. GOTS Elevator Co. Guangdong Manufacturing Top 500. Guangzhou Hidden Champion Enterprise. Sheet Metal Workshop. Floor Door Production Line. Automatic Gripping. Automatic Welding Area. Automated, intelligent, one-stop production. Fully automatic cutting. Traction machine finished product stacking area. Intelligent shipping area. Human machine mixing and picking. Going global. Ensure the competitiveness of made in China.